Google Ads 101. So in this video, I'm going to show exactly how to make between $10,000 up to $25,000 US per month with Google Ads affiliate marketing. Here you can see on my screen, right, the revenue and the conversions with one of the affiliates offer that I was promoting. But most importantly, I'm going to show exactly how to utilize Google Ads. So let's go straight into it, right? So as you can see over here, right, on this screen, I had 1,000 clicks, 21,000 impressions, and average cost per click was $0.39. So basically, let's say 40 cents, right? And cost $413. Now, we are paying for clicks, right? This is Google pay-per-click, Google search, or Google AdWords, right? We are basically paying per click. So you see 1,000 clicks and cost $413, which is very, very good. As you know, Google is all about buyer's intent. That's why I love Google. And if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, I suggest you start with Google Ads because you can go for low hanging fruit very easily, right? It's very simple because you can generate quick sales, quick money, and then you can scale up slowly once you have the big enough budget, right, to run more ads. So let's go further. Now, what is the important thing? As you can see on the network, once you're setting up the ads, please delete Google Display Network. You don't need that, right? So click out, opt out of Google Display Network because we're only using Search Network, right? We are putting in keywords. I always suggest use one landing page or one blog page, one pre-sale page, right, or landing page, and one keyword. So you can scale up. You can exactly see from which keyword the sales are coming from. Yes, it takes a little bit more work, but once you have someone to guide you through step by step along the way, it's much more easier to get results, right? Do you agree with me? If you have someone to help you and hold your hand along the way, it's much more easier to get over the speed bumps than if you buy some expensive course and you have no one to support you, right? And you're just basically copying and pasting all the stuff that everyone else is doing. So Google is going to shut you down if you're doing this kind of stuff, right? Because if you're very lazy and you just do copy and paste templates and landers, Google is going to detect that, right? They have AI softwares and everything in place, so they are going to detect that you're doing copy and paste templates, and they are simply going to shut you down. So I do not suggest you that. Another thing very important is know your numbers, do the math. No one is talking about this, but very important thing in affiliate marketing is this. You have to only focus on the numbers that move your business forward. So what are those numbers? Those are, for example, the key metrics. 3 key metrics in Google Ads are, or let's say affiliate marketing of overall, it's cost per acquisition, CPA, right? How much does it cost for me to acquire customer? For example, if I promote $1,000 products on Google and it costs me $100 or $200 to acquire the customer, I'm very happy. Why? Because I made $800 profit per sale. So I will happily pay to Google $200 to acquire new customer, right? To come to my email list or to come to my website and opt in, because I know if I pay $200 to get a lead, I'm going to make a sale for $1,000, so I make $800 profit. Another thing is average order value, right? Very important thing with affiliate marketing, right? You have to promote high quality products to get more money from the upsells. For example, right, what is the average order value, or let's call it lifetime value of a customer, right? Average order value means how much you're going to get paid, how much they on average purchase on the front end. So for example, if you're promoting weight loss supplements on Google Ads and someone bought 3 pills for $140, that's the average order value. Now lifetime order value, lifetime customer value, it's much more higher, because if the customer is happy, they're going to stick with the company for a long time, over years. So in some cases you can get from the same customer paid over 2 or 3 years, right? But of course it must be a high quality product. And cost per lead, right? CPL, how much are you paying to acquire the lead? Remember, lead and customer is a totally different thing. Lead is only a person, they just come, right? They just come. And yeah, you can get paid for lead as well on with Google Ads, but most importantly, you can convert that lead into the customer. Again, I'm showing you all the steps once you work with me one-on-one, and you see everything, how this comes together step by step. Another thing very important is this cold traffic positioning. No one is talking about this, right? You remember, when you are building Google ads or Facebook ads, doesn't matter, this is all cold traffic. Those are all unaware people. They don't know about you, who you are, what is your product, what you stand for. Is it a good product? Is it a bad product? Do I even need the product? They don't know anything, right? They're just cold traffic. So you have to know how to position your landing page and your ads for cold traffic only, and then how to build a value on your pre-sale page to pre-sell them 5 points to turn them eventually into the customer. And now on this slide, please stay until the end of this video, because the next slide is going to be very important. And I'm going to explain you why most of ClickBank gurus are not sharing the main point of long-term sustainable income with you. Let's go. You see, you need leads. Every business needs leads, right? Leads and sales funnel. Leads are very important, and then you convert them into the sales. Now, what is this customer touch points? Very important. Do you know that on average, the person needs to have eight touch points before they make a final decision to buy? So for example, let's say that I want to buy fish oil supplements, right? I only see the ad, for example, Google ad for fish oil one time. Okay, I see the ad. Now what can happen? Eventually, if I'm on my mobile phone, maybe I won't buy it on the first time when I see the ad, right? So most of the affiliates make this big mistake. They do not retarget the customer with Google ads or Facebook ads. They don't retarget them, right? Or they don't opt them in for the email list, right? So for example, if I were you, right, I would do this smart thing, ultimate advantage. I would set up the ad for this fish oil supplement on ClickBank, for example, right? And because I know that human beings don't make a decision on the spot one, I would give them a chance below, right? Below on the blog or the pre-sale page to opt into my email list. Why? Because I know that the person who is looking at my ad may be not buying today. But I know that if I send out the email on day 2, on day 3, on day 4, and then day 5, eventually, maybe on day 3, maybe on day 7, they are definitely going to buy the supplement. Numbers never lie. Remember, these numbers don't lie. So there are huge researches made that why all the companies are using email. Netflix, Airbnb, right? Facebook, everyone is asking you for the email. Why? Because they know that no one makes a decision on day one, right? You can see the ad today. Maybe you can see my video today, right? For example, if I'm selling the fish oil, but you're not buying it today. So maybe you're buying it on next Sunday. So that's why it's very important to capture the lead, right? Build a relationship with your list. That's a long-term sustainable way where you can monetize your email list and make huge profits without even running ads in the future. So I'm showing this to my students all the time, how to properly do it step by step, so you can afford to have better results and make $500 or more dollars per day in commissions promoting affiliate offers, right? Very important thing, touch points. Now, at the end of this video, if you really want to get results, right, with Google Ads, one-on-one support, moving forward, I don't care, is it ClickBank, MaxWeb, all the offers work. It just must be high quality, right? So if you really want to get results, then please subscribe to my channel. And under this video, are going to be links below this video, in my description, right, in this video, where you can reach me out and connect with me one-on-one. So you can send me WhatsApp message, email, Instagram, or Messenger on Facebook. You can just send me any message you want. But one thing first, you do need to have some kind of budget, right? I'm talking about minimum $500 to $2,000 US. 500 and 2,000 minimum. That way, I can really help you. We can help you to have results in advance. I mean, serious results. I'm talking about 5,000, 10,000 or more per month in income. If you're really serious to have this kind of income, then what you can do is subscribe to my channel. And as I said before, just connect with me one-on-one, because if you just procrastinate, do not think, wait and wait, you have to take action now. And by now, I think you realize that it's very important that sometimes you're missing out a lot if you're not taking action, if you're not investing in yourself right now, right, as you're watching this video. So if you want to get the results, subscribe to my channel, and all the links are below. So I hope we get in touch.